Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate your O2 eSIM on your device, whether it is an Android device or whether it is your iPhone device. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply just launch the settings of your device. Inside the settings, if you are using Samsung device, you just have to select the option of connections. On iPhone, you just have to select the option of cellular or mobile data. Now inside it, you will be shown the option of SIM manager, or on iPhone, you will be shown the option of add eSIM directly. So you just have to select the option of add eSIM, then select the option of scan the QR code. Afterwards, you just have to simply just place the QR code inside this particular box for it to basically scan. And when it scans it, you just have to do nothing but to just simply select this particular eSIM option again. Afterwards, you just have to follow further simple on-screen instructions in order to basically activate that particular eSIM. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. You don't need to do anything much. You just have to simply scan the QR code and follow further on-screen instructions and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.